We have been blessed by Mother Nature. Now it's up to us. We decide our future.
There is no place quite like Belize. From its rich history and lush rainforests to its stunning white sand beaches and turquoise oceans, Belize is a destination for both relaxation and adventure. Marine life among the healthy reefs and walls decorated with colorful coral and sponges make Belizean waters one of the top tourist attractions in the Caribbean. Oceans are home to an immense diversity of marine life as well as some of the largest and most interesting animals our planet has ever known. One such animal is the shark. Sharks are characterized by their long, thick fins and gray color, as well as the contrast between its slippery appearance and its rough, tactile texture. Sharks are known as the lions of the sea. They are predators that tend to keep fish population in balance and stabilize the marine ecosystems. There are over 400 species of sharks in the oceans of the world. Belize's pristine waters, magnificent barrier reef, atolls, and mangrove estuaries are home to a few of these. Among the sharks commonly seen in Belize are the hammerhead shark, the blacktip shark, the bull shark, the lemon shark, the nurse shark, the reef shark, the tiger shark, and the migratory whale shark. Every one of these predators plays an important role in keeping our marine environment clean, healthy, and in balance. Sharks can be considered case strategists, meaning that they are characterized by slow growth, late maturity, low fertility, long lifespan, and low population recovery rates. They have long gestation periods from about 6 months to 2 years depending on the species. Sharks are at the top of the food chain in practically every part of every ocean. Their role is to keep populations of other fish healthy and in proper proportion for their ecosystem. Predatory sharks prey on the sick and the weak members of their prey populations, and some also search the sea floor to feed on carcasses of dead aquatic animals. By removing the sick and the weak, they prevent the spread of disease and prevent outbreaks that could be devastating. Preying on the weakest individuals also strengthens the gene pools of the prey species, since the largest, strongest, and healthiest fish generally reproduce in greater numbers. The outcome is larger number of healthier fish. By grooming population of marine life to the right size, they ensure that these don't cause harm to the ecosystem by becoming too populous. A number of scientific studies demonstrate that depletion of sharks result in the loss of commercially important species of fish and shellfish down the food chain, including significant fisheries such as tuna that maintain the health of coral reefs. Some scientists believe that through intimidation, sharks regulate the behavior of their prey. This prevents prey from overgrazing seagrass beds and vital habitats. For example, scientists have found that tiger sharks have a positive impact on the health of seagrass beds. Turtles, which are the tiger shark's prey, graze on seagrass. When tiger sharks are not present, turtles spend all their time grazing on the best quality, most nutritious seagrass, and these habitats are soon destroyed. However, when tiger sharks are in the area, turtles graze over a wider area and do not overgraze one region. One of our growing concerns in the world today is global warming. Accelerating sea level rise and increased coastal flooding, longer and more damaging wildfire seasons, more frequent and intense heat waves, costly and growing health impacts, an increase in extreme weather events, heavier precipitation and flooding, more severe droughts in some areas, melting ice, and destruction of coral reefs, just to name a few. Around half of all carbon dioxide produced by humans since the Industrial Revolution has been absorbed by carbon sinks. The primary carbon sink is oceans, which have absorbed roughly 25 to 30% of the carbon dioxide, while the terrestrial biosphere has absorbed another 15 to 20%. Sharks, by playing out their role as top predators, are crucial in maintaining this cycle. Having a healthy marine ecosystem is not only beneficial to marine life but also to us as humans. It is a revenue-generating sector of tourism, as tourists from all over the world come to visit our beautiful barrier reef and snorkel with the sharks. Although sharks are of significant value to marine ecosystems, humans, and the Belizean economy, there is a growing concern for their safety.
Sharks are in deep trouble. They're heavily overfished, and a third of known oceanic species are threatened with extinction.
The overfishing of sharks is a worldwide issue. Sharks are being captured in targeted fisheries for their fins. Majority of the sharks caught are used to feed a huge Asian fin market. In Asia, the shark fin soup is a much-prized delicacy and a status symbol. Shark finning is a cruel process that involves the fins of a shark being cut off, often when the animal is still alive. The shark is then thrown back into the ocean, no longer able to swim. The mutilated shark sinks to the bottom of the ocean and may not die immediately. Without fins, the shark will bleed to death, drown, or be eaten by other animals. This whole process is done for the fins of the shark, nothing else. To rebuild shark population in Belize, a combination of specific regulation coupled with gear bans will be necessary. Banning gillnet use would play a huge part in ensuring the survival of our top predators and also other important species that are valuable to the marine ecosystem. Let us keep in mind the importance of sharks in our oceans and do our part in conservational efforts.